Hi everyone. The other day when I was doing one of my projects, I had some leftover glow-in-the-dark blue-green. So I just poured it into the edge here and it's been setting for a couple days. And now I think I'm just gonna do a bloom in the center. Forgot to bring my colors over. I already had resin warming up for another project. I'm using JDiction resin. It's a 1-to-1 resin. I'm using the professional series that's in the round bottle because it's a little bit thicker. I'm gonna pour it into my mold. And I didn't have enough to completely fill the ring. So I do need to pour it a little heavy so that it goes into there. And I have to wait for it to stop moving before I do my bloom, or else my bloom will move, and we don't want that. All right, there we go. Now also with my other project, I already mixed my white. What I did is I had about almost 2 ounces of resin to make my white with. I did cast and craft. I did 8 drops. I added a little magnolia shimmer from Laura's Art Corner to create my white. Now I'm going to, I have Cobalt and Laguna alcohol inks from Ranger Ink. Ranger Ink. All right, so I'm gonna do 1 in the center. Well, it ended up being 3 in the center. Let's hope it's not too much. It dropped a little fast. And I'm just gonna do around the side. I'm gonna let it spread and do its thing. I do have some bits and bobs that I have mixed up in this little container to do a center. Let's go ahead and get our white out of the cup. It is warming up a lot, so I hope that I got to this fast enough, but I do need to get a wiggle on it. All right, so for this bloom, I'm not doing just the straight spiral. I'm just squiggly moving it around. Got the light in my eyes a little bit, so I'm I just wanted to go around the outside. All right. I am still going to do my lines, but I'm going to do them all in. And on my last line, I'm going to go ahead and do my spiral. And that actually would probably look really cool without a center. But I'm going to go ahead and put it in since I have it ready. And I'm just going to take a tiny bit. It's like 1/3 of this little scoop. Oh, that may have been too much, but that's okay. It looks like I got it pretty well centered. I stood up just to double check. I am going to try to put it back on this, but it may be very difficult because I don't have a lot of room, but we'll come back then and do it together. Hi everyone, we're back. I decided not to back this. If you can see, there's very little room around the edge. And the flower is very dark, so I don't think it will matter. But let's see, let's hope I made the right call. Oh yeah, look at that. That came out really pretty.